Vinyl Buddy Record Cleaner Kit 5-Piece Ultimate Cleaning System Velvet Brush Nylon Microfiber Brush Stylus Brush LP Cleaning Solution Storage Pouch 5-Piece Record Cleaner KIT Easily remove every last sound depleting particle from your vinyl. Equipped with Vinyl Buddy record cleaners, you'll be able to create an awesome listening experience while enjoying the full, crisp sound that vinyl has to offer. Every cleaner you need, this record cleaning kit includes all the benchmark essentials for a spotless and rich-sounding vinyl collection. In this vinyl care kit, you'll receive a velvet brush, microfiber brush, stylus brush, cleaning solution, and a handy storage pouch. With these cleaners, you'll be able to tackle any cleaning session with ease and perfection. Safest way to clean your LPs. Vinyl Buddy's products are rigorously tested to ensure maximum quality and user experience. Each product is crafted from the highest quality material possible, ensuring the safest and most effective cleaning sessions for your vinyl. For serious cleaning sessions, Vinyl Buddy makes record cleaners that rejuvenate and revive even the most forgotten albums in your collection. With this kit, you'll be able to remove years of grime and sound-depleting debris from your beloved vinyl. The Vinyl Buddy Guarantee. Here at Vinyl Buddy, quality is our #1 priority. If our product doesn't meet your cleaning requirements, please contact us for a full refund. We care about our customers.